Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Meet again with me, Mohammad Dasti Kandias. This time I will do how to measure using a multimeter. We will measure voltage AC and DC and measure resistance. How to measure AC voltage? Step 1. Set the selector switch position to AC volt. Step 2. Select the scale according to the estimate voltage to be measured. If you want to measure 220 volt, turn the selector switch to 300 volt. This one only for analog multimeter. If you do not know the high voltage being measured, it is recommended to select the high voltage scale to avoid damage to the multimeter. Step 3. Connect to probe the terminal of the voltage to be measured for AC voltage. There is no negative or positive polarity. Step 4. Read the measurement result on the multimeter display. And number 2, how to measure DC voltage. Step 1, set the selector switch position to DC volt. Step 2, choose the scale according to the estimate voltage to be measured. If you want measure 8 volt, the selector switch to 11 volt. If only analog multimeter. If you do not know the high voltage being measured, it is recommended to select a high voltage scale to avoid damage to multimeter. Step 3. Connect to probe the terminal of the voltage to be measured. Red probe to the positive terminal and black probe to the negative terminal. Be careful not to it over. Read the measure result for multimeter display. And last, how to measure resistance of a resistor of a combination of resistor to attach the positive and negative. Probe of the multimeter to each end of a resistor or a combination resistor arranged in series parallel or parallel series. Before measuring, make sure the selector is the ohmmeter position. For resistance measurement, the multimeter positive and negative needles can be connected bend and form, and read the measure result on the multimeter display. That is all for me. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.